County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Buck County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:15 p.m., a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near New Hope to Lake, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, intense bursts of heavy snow and gusty winds leading to blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 35 miles per hour. Source, radar and webcast. Impact, travel will become difficult and potentially dangerous within minutes. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 328 and 358. Northeast extension between mile markers 21 and 23. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 40. Interstate 95 in Delaware between mile markers 11 and 23. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 328 and 351. Interstate 195 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 60 and 76. Interstate 676 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 1. Interstate 476 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 19. Locations and tactics include Philadelphia, Trenton, Camden, Wilmington, Bensalem, Ewing, Norristown, Chester, West Norton, East Norton, Yevon, Westbound, Bristol, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Conshohocken, Almiron, Hatboro, and Fulton. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall.